This is a wonderful opportunity here at SUEZ Water Treatment Plant. Students from iLearn schools, Patterson, Bergen, Passaic are here learning about water treatment and how water gets clean from raw to clean water. It's a great way to bring the industry into education and have students learn outside the classroom. The vision is to provide opportunities for students to see and take out those intrinsic factors out and to kind of provide them a vision and what is science, what is technology, and how to apply that to their day-to-day lives.
Number 2, dissolved oxygen, okay? These are all things we're going to look at later.
And the tour will show them how we treat the water here at our plant for customers in Bergen and Hudson counties. Additionally, we will be doing some hands-on STEM activities, water testing, where they become chemists for the day and learn how we test the water here at our laboratory and what those water test results would mean.
First and foremost, I appreciate the iLearn team coming here today. I think that this type of partnership, which puts businesses with schools, gives us a great opportunity to bridge the divide and to allow our students to understand what the future holds as it relates to the education that they're currently doing and the pathway that they hope to fulfill, whether it be in engineering, in science, in accounting, in finance. This type of an organization or water company provides an opportunity for everybody, this regardless of your level of education or regardless of the type of education that you've had.